Hey guys, so today I'm gonna make a video on today I'm gonna do a video on my eyebrow routine / tutorial. That's what I'm gonna do. Somebody asked me to do this and I thought it'd be fun to do, and I was gonna do it before, like, you know, it's been like maybe 4 or 5 days since I've made my last video, and I was gonna post it before this, like maybe like 2 days after I posted my first video, because, you know, I wanted to get things up like almost every day, but you know, it didn't happen. So I'm gonna do it now. Plus I didn't have any way to make that video. Right now my tripod, little tiny tripod, is on shoe boxes. So this is the only way that I'll be able to do it. So I guess we'll just get right into it. Excuse my eyebrows because I need to get them done. I know, but the pomade that I use, because I use pomade instead of like a pencil. I used to use a pencil, and then I stopped using it. It was like the Maybelline pencil. That was really good, but I stopped using it because I wanted to start using a pomade again, because I used to use a pomade and then I stopped using it because the one I had before wasn't this brand. It was like I don't know what it was called, but it just dried out really fast and I didn't want to use that anymore. So I tried a pencil. The pencil worked really good, and I stopped using that because the pencil would run out really fast because I used a lot of it. So then I went back to pomade, which I've had this for, I don't know, a long time now, and I still have a lot left. So yeah, that's what I'll be using. Use this little brush that came with it with a little spoolie on the end. This Eco Tools smudge brush to like blend the, you know, concealer in. This to put the concealer on, which is just like a brush from Amazon, I think. That's like Christmas. The concealer that I use under my eyes and, well, under my brows and under my eyes are this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Glow. Yeah, and then like I'm gonna just use this for a mirror so I can see. But yeah. So when I do my eyebrows, like I said, excuse my eyebrows, I like brush them up first most of the time. If I'm not rushing, I won't brush them up. Like if I'm rushing, I won't brush them up, and I'll just put it on, just slap it on. But I'm just gonna show you how I would normally do it. So yeah. Okay. So I'm just gonna take some of it on the brush. I'm gonna just go underneath. Oh, okay, this is why we have concealer. But scrub that off and put that back up. Okay, then we go to like right here and like start doing that. This is hard to explain. I'm sorry. But yeah, I start doing like the tail part and like do like little strokes. Yeah. And I do like this to get the tail. The strokes there. So then, like, start doing the brow and little strokes. Filling it in, really. And then I'm gonna just go over top, like the top part. And this is, I kind of make it higher than my natural brow. And a little bit bigger because my brows are kind of, I mean, they're not thin, but like they're not what I want. I want them kind of thick. So I just make it like go over a little bit. make it a little higher than my natural brow. And just put it down. Yeah. And just like start filling it in like here. And I'll just like do little strokes here. I won't like fill it in all the way. Like little strokes there. And then little strokes here. Just like lightly. Don't fill it in all the way. So I'm just gonna go in and like brush it. Like brush the hairs back down a little bit. So there. Once you get it to the way you want it, you just like let it be and you just fix it with concealer. So then now I'm just gonna go with the concealer. Take some of it off the brush with this. So yeah, just go underneath it. Like, just try not to like go into the brow, because I do that a lot. Accidentally go into the brow all the time. Okay, so take about like that much. Yeah, you're gonna go like underneath it. I used to use the different brush. It was like a tiny, like, it was like a lip liner brush or something like that, or eyeliner brush, but it was like rounded. It was weird, but it was an Eco Tools brush, and I like that one, but I want to try this one because it's like how the brush is shaped. I want to just try this one instead, but I'm just gonna keep going over it till I like it. Go. So I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. There's one brow. So now I'm just gonna take the Eco Tools brush, which is really dirty, and I'm gonna like blend the concealer under my eyebrow out. That's what I use this brush for. And like for the top, I go over it, but I go over like foundation because I don't want it to be like a bright colored you know, concealer on top, because that would just make it look weird. So this one with makeup, which yeah, this one with makeup, and this one without it. Yeah, I mean, you can definitely tell the difference because one's darker than the other and one's a little bit thicker, but that's just how I like them. And yeah, I'm just gonna go do the rest of my makeup and then come back with the outro. So here's the finished look. I mean, I know it's not my best makeup because I wasn't trying that hard. I just wanted to get it over with. So I mean, yeah, if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what videos can do next and stuff like that. I think I have some pretty good video ideas for now, and then I'm just gonna go off what people tell me that they want to see. But thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.